Welcome to Making Words with our Halloween. So, as you can see here, this is the word Halloween. What we want to do is we want to go get our pointer tool and we want to make as many words as we can with the word Halloween. So, for example, we want to come over, we can click on the W, we can bring it over here, we can then grab the W-E, and we can make the word we. We can also go low. I can grab L, I can grab O, I want to go grab W, and I have made a word. As I do that, I just notice that I have the word all here too. So these are 3 words that I have done right here. Your job is to see if you can make up to 10 words using the word Halloween. So in this assignment, make as many words as you can using Halloween. Enjoy.